Hi, I'm Nathan Pomedy. This is Section 3, Adult Training Part 1. For my adult training, I taught faculty here at Franklin Middle School how to use Google Classroom when it first became available to FCPS employees. My objective was obviously to show them this new tool that they could use in their classroom, but hopefully implement it in their classrooms as well. That was my main hope. How I set up the training was I went step by step through all of the different functions, from the stream to the students to about the course to uploading and changing the theme to where the class code was to how to create assignments and grade assignments and how to edit the stream. And so I went step by step through all of this, obviously how to log into Google Classroom as well. And so I went through all of this step by step, and as I did so, I would walk around, and if anybody had any further questions or needed further assistance, then I obviously did so. And so I kind of went through, and they kind of mimicked, and we went step by step to make sure we were all kind of on the same page. And once I was done with this, I shared some information with them, a Google slide about the presentation. I had some screenshots and things like that. I also had some reference material for them that I posted on the stream for them, just in case when they left, if they needed some further assistance, or while we're in the middle of the training, if they wanted to go ahead, which I also encouraged that they could reference that as well and kind of learn on their own. So once I was done with the explanation of all the features of Google Classroom, I created a couple assignments, and I thought that this was very important, that they see what the students are going to see so they have a better appreciation when they're on the teacher's side. And so I created two assignments for them to complete, a collaborative assignment and a pop quiz. So they did an assignment where they had to edit a document and everybody was all on the same document. And then I did a pop quiz with Google Forms so they could see how to access that through Google Classroom. And once we were done with those assignments, I then encouraged them to explore some more and to also create their own course so they could see it from a teacher perspective now. And at that time, I then joined courses and helped people out as need be. At the end of the entire session, there was a brief questionnaire to get feedback about what they liked, disliked, how likely they were to actually use it in their classroom. And then I also followed up with an email to ask if anybody needed any help setting up Google Classroom, and in response I had about 5 or 6 participants reach out and say they needed some help and refresher in setting up Google Classroom. And so that's how I knew that it was a success and that I was providing a good service here for the teachers as well as the staff. This concludes my Section 3 adult training.